Hello, passport holders. You guys are awesome. I want to come to you with 2 tips. The second one is more practical than the first. The first one is pretty niche. The first one is if you do have one of these 360 cameras, a Panono, after you boot it up, you can tell it's booted up because of this ring here. By the way, there's 18 cameras per side for a total of 36 cameras. When you take a photo, you have to make sure you're super steady. You take the photo. So I'm going to push this button right here, and you're going to hear this beep. Okay, you listen to it. That was a good beep. Okay, now I'm going to shake it around like I got shaky hand. Oh wait, it's still processing the photo, but you can see it's processing the photo there. But it makes a dun-dun sound, and that means you did not get the photo. Okay, I'm not seeing this anywhere in the documentation. I had to figure this out myself. But yeah, there's a little 360 tip photo tip for you. Here we are at Milford Sound, a beautiful place. Right there in the distance, the very pointy one is Mitre Peak. The temptation is, see there's a photographer way over there, is to get over by the water. But the water gets a little bit rough. And so in a lot of these places where there's a tide that comes in and out, where it's a bit flat, one of my best places to go take photos is here where these little pools are, these little tidal pools that are totally still. Because if you get down really, really low, like super low, as low as you can get on your tripod, the appearance is that you're right on the water itself. And no one will be able to tell that you're like not right on the water. So having a good reflection is very important. I'll give you one other important reflection tip, is make sure that the reflection is not perfect. Because if your reflection is too good, people will think that you faked it or you photoshopped it or whatever. So kind of keep everything a little bit imperfect and mysterious, and yeah, try your best. Whenever possible, get a reflection. Okay, I guess that's tip number 2. All right, thanks again, and I'll see you next time.